Thank you. You came back, just like you said. I was so scared. Were those gunshots?
Don't worry. I promised Diana to keep you safe. I know what you've been through. No one will harm you ever again.
What's that noise?
Shh. Don't make a sound.
It's not that they're nuns. I mean, it's just... I mean, God, whatever happened to duct tape?
That's Wade for you. The guy likes his carnage. Sick shit. Gets them all. That's probably why he's never been caught, you know? Always willing to go the extra mile.
Get the power back on. Sister Mary is waiting in the basement. I will meet you both there.
Got way out of hand, man. What the hell are we doing?
Finishing off what we started. Let's go. We gotta find the girl.
They're hurting good.
Well, if we don't find her, Wade'll rip us all a new ass.
I don't see any. So you gotta be fucking screwing with me. Help! Help! Father?
The chapel downstairs.
What the?
I keep a shotgun there. I can't help you with this. I'm sorry. I'm too weak.
house here!
Sister Mary? Who are you?
Come on, what's the matter with you? I like it when you fight back. Come on, fight back, girl. Fight back.
Hey, wait! I want to be in charge, too!
Papa's little boy. You've been waving that little thing around all day, haven't you?
Shut up, Wade!
Oh! Oh! You think you're a tough guy, Lenny? Tough guy?
Stop it!
Come on, man, you tough guy? Come on. Come on, you tough guy? Come on, man!
No! Come on! Okay, I'll show you. Shut up, bitch!
Oh!
Or I'll put a cap in your ass!
Look out, everybody. We better make room for Lip Dick Lenny. Come on.
You know what, Wade? Just...
Oh!
God! Oh, my God! Oh, I got blood on my hand, Wade!
Y'all see that? This is like pop like a watermelon. Lenny! I'll tell you what, Lenny. We better let the grown-ups clean up this. You boys keep watch, huh? Nice job, Lenny. Nice job.
Okay, so we got the girl. What now? Let's go.
Stay put until Wade.
The one who was at the terminus? Keep hearing all these rumors that... Whatever, they can't read.
motherfucker! Wanna live forever? Shoot! Take this, you prick! Choke on it, asshole!
Stop struggling, you little bitch! Yo, Wayne! Who's the limp dick now, you cocksucker? Make fun of me, I'll teach you a thing or two, I hope you die! Real hard and real long, you fucking motherfucker! And you, Baldy, don't you fucking move, or I'll put a fucking bullet in her head! That's what I'm saying. Wayne, this is what happens when you fuck with Lenny! Don't you fucking with Lenny anymore!
Hope, South Dakota. You're a long way from home.
I got wood, man. Why do I have wood?
See me? Yes, yes, you're so beautiful.
So, the infamous Birdie. You better have a good reason for dragging me out here.
Hey, I'm here to offer my services. You see, this kidnapping of yours, I'm worried that you have no idea who you're up against.
I'm Birdie. I didn't know you cared. Let me take a closer look. Is this the face of a man I can trust?
Dom is dead. Courtesy of the bald guy. And that means you need a new man on the inside. And who's better out there than me? Am I right?
No, Birdie, you're not right. Because, see, I got the girl. And that means I don't really need you now, do I?
Wait. Now, be cool, man. Come on, please. Listen. Look, you don't understand. You want the highest bidder? Then you need me to engineer the drop. That's what I do, man.
Oh, Birdie, you think I can't make a simple trace on your phone call?
Real sick.
It's a beautiful day. Birdie, who is, what the hell is her name again now? Jade. Who's Jade?
Fuck you, man.
Oh, now that's the wrong answer. Damn, I love this country. A man can become anything he wants to be, as long as he's got the brains and the cojones.
Okay, she's a low-level agency bitch.
The agency? Are you telling me the agency's connected to Victoria?
Yeah.
Let him go.
These are very dangerous people, man. If you screw them over, they will find you. But if you let me be the middleman, can't you see? If it meant enough to them to send a fucking hitman. Don't you see she's gotta be worth millions? Millions.
I'll take my chances. Oh, you're good this time, Bertie. You've been very useful. But if I see your weasel face again, I will bury you right here next to the Founding Fathers. I can promise you that. You know I will.
I'm cool. I'm cool. Think you're gonna cut me out of the action? Well, you got another thing coming, man. I got a sorpresa for you. Yeah. Yeah. In fact, I got a surprise for everybody.